Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Burger Please game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in Burger Please and start your search. Once you find the application, go ahead and tap on install, and this will begin the download and installation of the Burger Please application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will be able to tap on the play button. So go ahead and tap on play, and this will open up the Burger Please application on your device. Now continue with logging in or signing up to your account to start playing the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Burger Please game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.